The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
Wow, I sound amazing. I'm sick. So that's fun, right? It's also 4:35 in the morning. So that's even more fun. But I got up early so I could film. Get it? Because clearly I'm talking to you. And I should just be washing my face. We are going to excuse the fact that my mirror is not okay. Like, you can tell this is still here from summer school. Also, my room is dirty because I can't keep it clean. I'm a clean person. I really am. I just don't know why I can't keep my room clean. So, yeah. Okay, this is just showing me how disgusting I am. So, moral of the story, we're cleaning our mirror today. I also put a sweatshirt on because I'm freaking cold. And like the dumb person I am, you know what? This is actually bothering the crap out of me. Now that I have addressed my dirty mirror, I had to switch it because like this one is closer to my face than this one, so that's why I use this one. But oh my lord, it is so dirty, so now I gotta be a little bit closer than usual. But it's fine. We're fine. Okay, nope, I can't do it. I have to deal with it. Today we're gonna try to moisturize my face before putting makeup on. Because it takes me a pretty long time to do my eyebrows and eyeliner. So, hopefully this will dry. We're going to try this out.
For no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another.
Okay, so that song just ended. And now I'm going to go do my other brow off camera because I don't think you guys want to see an entire montage of me doing my makeup all over again. So, I'm gonna go do my other brow, and then I'll come back when I do one eyeliner eye, and then I'll turn it off doing the other. So basically this half of my face won't be shown on camera, but it's the same thing, so it doesn't matter. So we are having a very bad eyebrow day, of course. I wanted to kind of look cute today, but that's just not the case today. So, you know, it's fine.
Another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. On changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season.
Freaking love this song so much. Like, it's depressing on another level, but it's so good. Oh no. I feel cakey. Okay. So, you know how I put on moisturizer before? Big mistake. I'm like sticky. Or it also could be because I didn't put powder on. I have to go get it. My hair is not okay.
Another season.
I feel nude. This is one of my favorite outfits. I've worn it once, but I still love it on another level. These are my sister's because I lost mine. This is from Target, and then I'm wearing my Vans, and these are like cropped. I make them like cropped so that it looks cute with the, you know? Gotta compromise, so. You can see me in the mirror. Don't talk about it. So, now I'm going to clean my room because I was supposed to do it last night and I didn't. So my mother, is the mic on? Yes, okay. My mother will be very surprised and happy that she comes into my room and it's clean because this has been here for 2 days. I don't even want to know. So, I'm going to clean my room and I'm going to make my bed. I'm going to make my bed. It is like really early in the morning, 28. So that's fun, right? Alright, so we're going to clean, even though I feel like complete crap, but it's fine. We're good. So let's clean, and then I'll see you guys when I'm done cleaning my room. I'm going to give you an overview of what my room looks like before, because it's actually kind of like, whoa. Like, it's not that bad, but it's bad, you know? And then we're going to make coffee, because your girl needs coffee. She is addicted, and I need to stop falling asleep in class, so. This is my room when you walk in. not cute at all. Like this isn't even mine, it's the cat's. Everything else, well, that shirt over there isn't mine. Everything else is mine. This tripod is really big. You guys like my fit? I love my fit. Wait, let's look at this beautiful mirror we have here. Are you guys proud? I'm proud. I cleaned my mirror after I got ready, but you know, that's besides the point. I cleaned my freaking mirror. That is exciting. I cleaned both sides. Like what? And that hasn't been cleaned since summer school, and that was in July. That's disgusting. I'm disgusting. Okay. Me. I am proud. Guys, I've never been so satisfied with life in my life. No, I'm just kidding. But hello. Welcome to my horrible lighting in my kitchen. It is currently 6:08 in the morning. I just woke up my sister because I wake her up at 6 in the morning so she can get ready. Now, that's my cat eating. We're gonna make coffee because honey, sister is sleeping. It's not the best, but I haven't had a coffee in forever, so it's pretty good. Now, problem is, I have to put this in my water bottle that I left in the car. So you guys are gonna come with me to go get that in the car. I'm gonna make hella noise. First I have to put it this way. So we're about to make a lot of noise.
Front door.
That's what I hate about that thing. It's so freaking loud, dude. Alright. So I have to fit my coffee in here because I'm extra like that. And I must have it in here, so. Also, don't mind my mountain. That's not cute. Came to see what you were doing. Even if you both was curious. Are you scared for me? We got it in there. Okay. It is full up to here. And I'm very happy. It's 6:18. Wow, that took me 10 minutes to do. Alright, I need a pack of gum, so I'm gonna go get one. I am sister ready to that doesn't even make sense. No. To conquer the world. That's the word. Okay. My throat hurts. I need to take Dayquil. I can't find the Dayquil, so we must suffer all day. So what's gonna happen is This needs to go in my backpack. No, actually, I'm gonna keep it in my pocket.
This needs to go in my backpack. No, actually, I'm gonna keep it in my pocket.
I need to get my retainer case. Alright, I'll see you guys when we're walking out the door. So, like, I was so in the mood. Like, I know I'm, like, sick and dying, but for some reason, when I'm sick and dying, I like to clean.
I answer comments for like 10 minutes. Have 4.
Like isn't on! Oh!